Construct an angle of 150 degrees. In this video, we will learn how to construct an angle of 150 degrees. To do so, take a ruler and draw a horizontal line, and label the endpoints as A and B. After this, take a compass, adjust it to some length, and using point A as a center, draw an arc as shown. Using this intersection point as a center, cut the arcs as shown. We can see the angle from here to this point is 60 degrees. If we increase up to here, it will be 120 degrees, and up to here, it will be 180 degrees. But we need 150 degrees. We can see this angle is 60 degrees from here to here. To get a 150 degree angle, we need to divide this angle in half. Therefore, take a compass, and using these 2 points as centers, cut the arcs as shown. In the end, draw a line passing through this intersection point from endpoint A of the line segment. This is the required 150 degree angle. You can check by using a protractor. I hope you have understood how to construct an angle of 150 degrees. If you liked this video, please click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, ADTW Learn, click on the subscribe button and turn on all notifications to get my latest videos.